What if you have a client onboarding that handles contract signing, payment, and everything, all in one link? No email chaos, no chasing, and that's exactly what I built. Let me show you. So let's start. So the client will only receive one email, and this is the email that they'll receive. So basically just a link to the portal, and once they click this link, log in, they'll go directly here. So in here you will see client only need to complete simple 6 steps. So let's start with the very beginning. So before I walk you through, I just want to give you some context. So this is connected to Go High Level via API and webhooks. So basically it sends data from this app going to Go High Level. So let's start. So the client will have this video orientation. They just need to watch it. I've done this, then they can go on to the next step, which is the contract signing. So as you can see, client just needs to sign this, and I also added a feature here that will make sure that the client needs to sign it first before they can proceed with the next one. So yep, I tried to check the status, but the client haven't signed it yet. But if they click review and sign, they'll be redirected to another tab, and then once they sign the contract, it will redirect them back to the portal. Next is the deposit payment. So clients needs to pay the deposit as well, and as you can see here, if they haven't paid the deposit, then they won't be able to proceed. So it will redirect them. They need to pay this. Once they paid it, it will also redirect them back to the portal. Next is they need to fill out the ideal VA form. So we are a VA agency, and we match clients with their ideal VA. So they just need to fill out this form. Once they fill it out, it will automatically be sent to our HR, and our HR will start looking for a candidate based on their skills, experience, etc. Next thing that you need to do is basically set up their systems. So as you can see here, they have 6 steps. Set up their communication tools, set up remote access, set up Loom, building their training playbook, their communication and training blueprint, and define success. Once they finish that, they'll go through here, which can take a pause, mainly because our HR needs to look for the VA first, but if the VA is available, it will show ready. So they can open this, and everything is in here. Client doesn't need to open links or what. They can review the candidate directly in the app. So the names of the candidate, at the same time they can even view their resume. So they can watch the video directly in here. Once they selected it, they can schedule a call. What time are they available? So like in here, I'm available today. They can add another time, add notes, then confirm. Then our HR will automatically communicate with the VA to schedule a call with them. So that's how simple this onboarding app that I made for the client, and that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a great day.